in the tent?
Who's in a tent?
Is that you in the tent? There's a guy in the tent!
Where?
Middle row. Fuck, hold up. I get my CR out.
I don't see him.
Fuck, he's looking right at me.
Okay, I'm coming.
Just take a shot!
I'm coming. Is he on the south end? Is he in the tent?
You fucking dead as fuck,
I'm coming.
Alright, he's dead, he's dead.
I dropped,
Fuck.
yeah. It's an auto shot. Well, there's your ammo that you wanted. What's his name?
Jesus Christ. You think you shot me up more than that guy shot me?
I didn't even hit you, did I?
Yeah, you fucking lit me up. He didn't hit me.
No, dude. See what's stupid is I shot and it just went auto. It did the auto fire. I'm sorry, Tay. You don't have any?
It's all ruined now. You fucked me up.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's not my fault. You blew me up in the fucking face before.
This guy had bandages. Here, just go.